I will tell you an example. So based on this example, you have to say many more sentences. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, example is I use my hand. Don't repeat. I use my hand to clean the board. I use my hand to clean the board. Like this, you have to say many sentences using the structure I use my hand. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Ready?
Ready, sir.
Pujita.
I use my hand to say good morning.
To say good morning. Right. Engatravanamma.
I use my hand to eat food.
To eat food. Yes. Kumar.
I use my hand to open the door.
To open the door. Chencharatnam.
I use my hand to close the door.
To close the door. Yes. Yes.
I use my hand to drink water.
To drink water. Bunny.
I use my hand
Yes.
to write homework.
To write homework. Good.
I use my hand
To say
bye.
bye bye. Yes,
I use
master.
my hand to say good morning.
Right.
I use my hand to take my bag.
I use my hand to take my bag. Right.
I use my hand to give a book.
To give you a book. Yes.
I use my hand to drink water.
To drink water.
I use my hand to wash my face.
To wash my face. Don't shout, sir. I will give you chance. Wait for the chance. Yes.
I use my hand to clean the house.
To clean the house. Yes.
I use my hand to make clothes.
To make clothes. Yes. Shiva.
I use my hand to eat food. I use my hand to give a book.
To give you a book. Right.
I use my hand to close the door.
To close the door. Yes. Anybody? Yes.
I use my hand to give a pen.
To give you a pen. Right.
I use my hand to drink water.
To drink water. Yes. Yes. One.
I use my hand to eat a food.
To eat food. Yes.
I use my hand
To brush.
to brush my teeth.
To brush my teeth. Yes.
I use my hand to draw a picture.
Yes.
I use my hand to take my bag.
To take my bag. Yes.
I use my hand to wash my face.
Face. Very good. Yes. Enough. Yes.
I use my hand to say good morning.
To say good morning.
I use my hand to give a book.
Good.
I use my hand to make claps.
To make claps. Okay. Make claps.